Good evening, everyone. So I'm Sneha Pal, and you know very well that this is your career counseling session. So I'm going to start the career counseling of science.
Favorably evening to all of you. So I'm Ritik Kumar, and today I'm going to tell you about the benefits of arts. And today I will give you a career counseling that will based on arts.
A very good evening to all of you. Today I'm going to acknowledge you about commerce, and I'm career counselor, of course.
So friends, as we all know that school life, or we can say student life, is is full of enjoyment and full of joy. But for some, it isn't. Why? Because one faces some difficulties, some problems, and they start saying that school life is not good. It's a burden for us. Why they say that? Because of a decision that they don't know about this. So first to 10th, every student enjoys their life, their studies. But after 10th, he becomes like blank. Why? Because after 10th, they have to take a decision that's completely based on their future, and that make the way of reach to their future. So that is the challenge, we can say, for every student life. That is the selection. So selection of what? Stream. After 10th, as you all know that, after 10th, we have to choose one stream. Like there are 3 or 4, we can say, like science, commerce, arts, and vocational as well. So these are the options when we have to select one. But the problem is there. Like everyone have to face this. That is, when you are in 10th, you think that, like before I was studying and I was studying all the subject, but now I will have to select a subject or stream. And how would I learn this, and what they will teach me in a particular subject? These kind of problems, we can say, we have to face after 10th. And the biggest problem I would say here, like the influence. Like if you are want to select like science, and suddenly you think, but my friend selected, like he chose arts, and your parents are forcing you that you have to take commerce, and they are even saying that you have to take, and society as well there. They also speak that, did you take arts? No, it's not good. So this is the biggest problem when we have to face this. And so I would like to say this to you and suggest you to, if you are 10th class, so first of all you have to think that, and before this you have to collect all the information about the stream, that what you are going to select in 11th, that is based on your future. So first of all, collect all the information about that subject, and most important thing, that is your interest. You have to make sure that the subject you are going to take, you also have take interest in that. So it will be very beneficial for everyone, and it will make your future very bright. So many of the times I heard, like many of the students says that I want to become doctor, I want to become engineer, I want to become a nurse. But when I ask them, so what did you decide to do? They like blank. They don't know about that. So science, what is science? Science is such a fascinating and amazing. Here I am not underestimating other stream, as Louis Pasteur also said that. So this.
So here I am going to tell you about the benefits of arts, and why should we take, and what should we take after completing our 10th class. So first of all, so I would like to say here that the students who is studying in the 10th class or going to complete their 10th class, so first they should find their interest, that in what subject they got a lot of marks, they got good marks, and in which subject they are growing well. Like many of the students do not like maths, science, these kind of subjects, but some of the students likes SST, English, Hindi, and in those subjects they are getting or scoring a lot of marks, above 19, around 19 or thereabouts. So if I talk about the commerce, so there are some you can say math, business, these kind of subjects. Some of the students don't like those kind of subjects, and there is a science also. So I would like to say the person who wants to become a doctor or scientist, and there are many more careers in the science. So just let them take that. Do not take science or commerce just because of your friend is taking, and just because of your family is forcing you to take that, and your society is there is a, you can say, very low image of arts in our society. But it's up to you that how will you prove yourself, and how will you prove that arts is not a less subject, you can say. So this is my opinion, that one should take such a subject in which they have an interest.
Since childhood till 10th, everyone studied the same chapters, the same subject. But after 10th, we get the challenge for choosing our subject. And sometimes you choose the subject by being pressurized from family. It means you choose commerce when your family you want to choose arts, but your family is saying choose commerce. So I want to tell you one thing, that if you are choosing commerce, so don't be frustrated, because you have a scope what you wanted to do in that as well. So here I would like to tell, in arts, in science, there's also subject. So as the same, in commerce there's a business, accountancy, English, and the maths is a compulsory subject what you need to take. And after that, a part of it, there's some subject as well what you can choose as extra. Like if you want to choose like arts, like yes, it's a tough. So for making that easy, for making that the more marks in that, you can choose the CSP. It means you want to if you want to learn computer, if you want to go like in sports, so you can choose this subject for increasing your marks level. So if you are choosing, you are thinking that yes, it's a tough, you can't do it. So you can choose this subject as well. You have an option. And but before it, I would like to tell you that yes, in 10th, 9th, 8th, 9th, 10th, in these standards we get the book economics and maths. If the student who is having interest in maths, in eco, so yes, he is able to think that yes, what he or she should take, of course, commerce, because in commerce you have the scope to get more marks according to your interest. And yes, if a student is choosing science, so he or she is thinking that he or she is very good in in physics, chemistry, about 9th, 10th and 8th in this, and bio. So of course they should take science. And yes, we can talk about normalize, like about getting UPSC, and there is some exam, but depends on the like arts. So of course they should take arts. But I would like to tell you about commerce. It's not tough as student thinks, and yes, people make it more contagious, more exhaustive, but it's not reality. You should take it easy. That's it.
So we discussed like what is science basically, and average student, many of the times, as I noticed, average student runs away from the science. I don't know why, just because of as I noticed, many of the time I observed as well, the influence of society. They think that, oh my god, science is too tough, you should not take this, you should take arts. This is the mentality of the human being. And whatever we listen, we heard, and we start thinking that, like, no, it's very tough, we should not take this. I would take arts, I would take vocational. So this is the things. And let me tell you this thing, that science is a very interesting and funny, we can say, there is a fun, if you when you start taking interest in that subject, and it allows you to be much smarter, intelligent and progressive. This is the most important thing in science. If you select in, many of the students are in 10th or maybe in 11th, 12th, so you know very well about this. And when you study the books like physics, chemistry, it will help you to be very, we can say, progressive, and it will enhance your understanding about the world, about the causes, about the effects that are going on, because everything is science on earth. You should know that. And it's important for everyone that we should have knowledge about this. Without science, there is nothing. So,
as you all know that today I am going to give you a career counseling having arts subject. So first we should need to find out the word, means humanity or arts, we can say both, that what is the meaning of humanity or arts. So it means that it can bond ourselves to our society very deeply, because in this there are history, political science, English, Hindi, etc. So in this you can learn about all the history that had happened in your country or in the world as well. So through it you can be given some of the motivations also. And if I talk about the political science, so on the basis of it you can be a advocate, and you can join the politics as well. So there are two more languages, Hindi and English. These are must be there in arts. So what is language? The source in which we are communicating, or by which we are communicating, that's called a language. So there are four things of language that is very necessary to speak or to say that yes, I know a language. Reading is reading, listening, writing, and speaking. So without in completing any one of these, you cannot say that yes, I know a language. So in this you can learn a language, and this is.
As you all know that all the world made of this calculation. And calculation, from where it comes? From accountancy. As you all know, if you are for higher exam as well, for higher study as well, you'll have to be just engaged with accountancy. Yes, other can be moved like yes, low and low. But this subject is a major subject in your subject schedule. And yes, as I also hear about being a career counselor of commerce, so I would like to tell you about this. In accounts and of the a part of this subject, yes, there is a part of this subject. Yes, there is some hope as well. Like as I talk about commerce and science and arts, about like being a pressurized and about all things interest what we have. Like in commerce, what is the unique thing? What made it unique? What people choose? What students choose for this? This thing is like yes, when you go for choosing this, when you go for moving ahead and ahead for this subject, for this criteria, so you'll have to face some difficulties. You'll have to face some problems what come from the world. Like yes, you should be confident on yourself. Like yes, you can get some things like from your from seniors as well. Yeah, it's tough. You can't handle it. You can't do this. You can't do this. But you should be having you must be having like your interest. You're confident in this because there's a lots of things what can make your confidence down. So for this you should have your confidence. You should have your confidence. And one more thing. Yes, in this thing, if we talk about like I was talking about hope in this field. So you have the thing like about teaching, our course as well, about teaching. So yes, people think like there's like lots of criteria, lots of steps for choosing the career. But in this, people never mind that there's like a part of it is in like a management. Management like becomes but how from business. In 12th standard, business becomes like management because you being taught, you learn the biggest thing about management, but had been converted by like business. So in business, in management, there's lots of criteria, lots of career in this.